China's aircraft carriers are far behind America's, but submarines are a different story. It must be admitted that China's aircraft carrier technology is still far behind that of the United States. China only has one operational aircraft carrier, the Liaoning, which was purchased from the Soviet Union. The first domestically built aircraft carrier will only be operational in 2020. At that time, China's aircraft carrier technology will only be on par with American aircraft carrier technology from the 1980s. But in submarine technology, it's a different story. China is moving faster to close the gap with the United States. Even by 2025, China will surpass America in terms of the number of submarines it has. China has 63 submarines, 5 of which are nuclear-powered, and 54 are diesel-powered. However, in less than 3 years, this force will grow to between 69 and 78 submarines. China has 63 submarines, 5 of which are nuclear-powered and 54 are diesel-powered. However, in less than 3 years, this force will grow to between 69 and 78 submarines. The number of anti-ship missile submarines is also increasing significantly. Since the 1990s, China has built 13 Song-class warships and 17 Yuan-class submarines with independent water propulsion, diesel-electric submarines. 3 more Yuans are scheduled to be deployed by 2020. Additionally, 8 of China's 12 Kilo-class submarines can launch cruise missiles, which are designed to deliver large warheads over long distances. China will begin construction in early 2020 of a modern and advanced guided missile submarine, the Type 096, which will also be armed with a new, more deadly missile, the JL-3. And Beijing is working on a new class of nuclear-powered submarines based on the Shang class and called the Type 093B nuclear-powered missile attack submarine. According to the Pentagon, the Type 093B would not only improve the PLA Navy's anti-surface warfare capabilities, but may also provide a more clandestine land attack option. And Beijing is working on a new class of nuclear. Many new submarines will be equipped with China's supersonic anti-ship cruise missile, the YJ-18, which the Pentagon considers one of the deadliest anti-ship weapons. Chinese analysts have called the YJ-18 the most advanced anti-ship cruise missile. China is also building the world's largest submarine factory. Bohai Shipbuilding Heavy Industrial Corporation is building a giant submarine facility that will have 2 parallel assembly lines. The giant facility will reportedly begin construction on its latest attack submarine, the Type 095. America can build about 6 submarines at a time. China's new shipyards will be able to build 4 at a time. China can probably build several large submarine yards and still have several small ones. China is on track to be far more productive than the United States in submarines and will approach technological parity.